Digital twins, the future of virtual problem solving. Sleek animation of two identical objects, one real and one virtual, connected by a glowing network. Imagine having a virtual replica of any real-world system, a tool that predicts, diagnoses, and solves problems before they even happen. Welcome to the world of digital twins, a groundbreaking technology that's redefining innovation and problem solving. This is the digital frontier. And today, we're diving deep into how digital twins are shaping our future. Section 1. What are digital twins? A futuristic factory with digital replicas of machines on a computer screen. A digital twin is an exact virtual representation of a physical object, system, or process. It mirrors real-world behaviors and performance in real time, using data from sensors, IoT devices, and advanced algorithms. To animation of a jet engine with real-time data displayed beside its digital twin. From jet engines to entire cities, digital twins provide insights that help engineers predict malfunctions, optimize performance, and reduce costs, all without touching the physical asset. Section 2. The origins of digital twins. Historical footage of NASA's Apollo program and engineers working on simulations. The concept of digital twins isn't new. NASA pioneered the idea during the Apollo program, creating digital replicas of spacecraft to simulate and solve problems from Earth. Decades later, advances in computing and data collection have turned this once niche concept into a game-changing technology for nearly every industry. Section 3. Applications of digital twins today. A bustling city overlaid with digital grids and real-time traffic data. Digital twins are helping cities like Singapore and Shanghai become smarter. By modeling urban infrastructure, they optimize traffic flow, predict maintenance needs, and even prepare for natural disasters. A digital heart model on a screen next to a patient in a hospital bed. In healthcare, digital twins of organs like the heart allow doctors to simulate surgeries and personalize treatments, improving patient outcomes like never before. Manufacturing and industry. A robotic assembly line with a real-time digital simulation. Factories are using digital twins to predict equipment failures, test new designs, and streamline production, saving millions in downtime and waste. Section 4. The technology behind digital twins. A glowing network of IoT devices, cloud computing, and AI systems working in sync. Digital twins rely on cutting-edge technologies like the Internet of Things, which provides real-time data, artificial intelligence, which processes that data, and cloud computing, which powers the immense computational needs. The digital twin dashboard with predictive analytics. This combination creates a living, learning model of the physical world, one that adapts, predicts, and evolves over time. Section 5. The future of digital twins. Visuals. A futuristic city with flying vehicles, holographic screens, and interconnected systems. The potential of digital twins is limitless. Imagine a world where every building, vehicle, and even human has a digital counterpart. Cities would run seamlessly, healthcare would become predictive, and innovations could be tested virtually before being implemented. Mars rovers with their digital twins on Earth. And as humanity reaches for the stars, digital twins may even guide us to other planets, ensuring that every step we take is calculated and safe. Section 6. Challenges and ethical considerations. Warning signs overlaid on a glowing digital network. But with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of digital twins brings concerns about data privacy, cybersecurity, and the potential misuse of predictive technologies. As we integrate these tools into society, we must address these challenges to ensure they're used responsibly. Futuristic visuals fade into the logo of the digital frontier. Digital twins are not just tools. They're a glimpse into a world where technology works in perfect harmony with reality. What problems do you think digital twins could solve? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Digital Frontier for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.